What's up, people? I hope all of you are having an amazing day. Today, I'm going to do the promised altcoin market update that I was talking about. So, on my Instagram story, I was talking about some altcoins yesterday, and I did post this right here, which I did ask you guys to tell me what kind of altcoins do you want me to break down today, and I will also share some of my favorites. So I collected everything you told me, all the altcoins. I have a very big list of almost 25 plus altcoins that you guys want me to cover. So fasten your seatbelts, sit back, relax, and wait for your altcoin to be covered and to be, to walk through that altcoin that you asked me to do. So let me take a sip of water and let's get started. Okay, so right now I will start with sushi. This is the first one on the list. Uh, okay, so sushi, USDT, and also the BTC pair. Let's take a look at both of them, and I think I have them on my list right here. So, sushi, where are you? Okay, I will move to the second one and then I will look for sushi. So the second one is SXP, obviously on my list. So let's take a look. I will update it, or I will take a look from a daily perspective, not going into low time frames, only if it's necessary. So SXP, I've been mentioning and I've been talking about this altcoin since it was around here. 0. 0.8, 0. 0.9. This is where I've been talking about this altcoin. And yeah, we did see a very nice increase in price. However, let's take a look at the BTC pair, which is looking amazing. This is looking so nice. We have this small uptrend right here with this consolidation, and obviously this is a very long consolidation right here that we got. So I think we're going to see a breakout very soon. This is almost a 50-day consolidation. So an expansion up, in my opinion, is going to uh, is going to happen. Obviously, from what I see, I think we can easily get a 100% on the BTC pair, if not 150%. This is simply by pulling up a Fibonacci from that high to the bottom and looking for my first target being the 0382 and my second target this 0618 Fibonacci. So basically this is what I'm looking for on SXP. Let's move on to the second one, which is uh, AST. So AST USDT. This is this is a very small coin, I think. So wow, this has been up for some time. So basically, this is for me uh, not really a good setup right here. Of course, we have this uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and what could be another higher high, and so on and so forth. But obviously, this has been up, or this is up since the bottom. It's up 800 to almost 900%. So I'm not really into these coins that are already up, and on my list I have some coins that are up even more. Okay, so I might not really have a lot of things to say about them, but obviously my trading style is I like to look into coins that are around here and not really high in price. But obviously short term, I think a possible dip to around here, and then continue higher. But obviously, we don't want this one to go below this level right here. So yeah, this is everything I had to say about AST. Let's move on to the third one, or actually, let's take a look at sushi. So, sushi. This is sushi. Okay, once again, this coin is up a lot. Basically, we did see a very nice uptrend. Right now, we did see a pullback right here, which is uh, a good buy the dip, let's say. This is a 35% uh, pullback, which is, in my opinion, if you want to enter, you have to enter at a pullback, and this is a pullback. Okay, this is a 35% pullback in an uptrend. I think this is a good entry point. But obviously, once again, I would like to look for coins that are still around here, or here, and try to catch the rest of the move. This can, obviously, it can go higher, okay, but it's not something I would really enjoy trading. So yeah, this is everything also I had to say about sushi. BTC pair, uh, surprisingly, s- surprisingly, it's still not that high, and this is why I said this can still easily have another rotation back up. So a 100% push up wouldn't be out of this world at all, even though even though it did go high in price. It was at around $1, and now it's at 15. It was at 22 all-time high. So yeah, uh, fourth coin on the list is Theta. Theta. So this coin, I think I know exactly what I have to say about it. Uh, I would simply say pass. This is not a coin you buy, especially after it pumped this crazy high. Uh, it was very cheap, and holy moly, this is. I mean, you to the conclusion. Would you buy a coin that's up 14,700%? Because I wouldn't. I really wouldn't do that. But I remember, I really remember when I was trading this around here. Yeah, around here. And I saw this pump. So I literally saw this pump, and I said, wow, this went so high. But looks like it was a test pump for what was going to come. This is so insane, to be honest. This coin pumped a lot. It's crazy. So, yeah, as I said, no comment. I mean, I wouldn't buy this one, to be honest. It's it's already up a lot. I mean, there is no reason to buy into it. I really feel that the risk reward is so bad at this price. So let's move on to the next one. T Fuel is next one on the list. Let's take a look at this one. T Fuel also uh, the same, really the same. If you were smart, you could have bought it here, here, not here. Okay. Once again, buy low, sell high. Don't buy high and pray to sell it higher. So yeah, the same thoughts as I said on theta. Everything that I said there applies to this one also. So the next one is Neblio. Neblio is a very old altcoin. I remember trading this coin back in 2017. So let's see how this one is looking. I really remember this was expensive. So yeah, wow. Wow, look at how. No, this is a flash, but this is, I think, all-time highs around 50, $58, something like this, give or take. But yeah, I mean, I would say it's a dead coin, even though we're seeing a pump right here. I don't think this is really an active project. I don't know. I didn't do my research, but obviously the chart, it is down, okay, but you have to look into the coin if it's still, if the team is still working on it, because it's not up a lot, you know. It still has a long way to go, but obviously what I learned in crypto, even in 2017, a lot of coins disappear, you know. So just put that into perspective. This one can easily disappear and simply zero volume, and it keeps on going down and basically to zero. But obviously it was a good project back in times. So yeah, BTC pair also down significantly. Can't really argue about it. So yeah, I really, I think I don't know what to say about it anymore. So next one is Litecoin. Litecoin is an interesting one because this coin is actually a coin with some nice potential to come. So Litecoin, what can we say about LTC right here? In two words, uh, not really two words, three words, I am bullish on this one. So uptrend, this is a range. Basically, uh, Litecoin still lagging behind a lot. BTC pair all-time lows, even price discovery. Yeah, somehow, but this has been going down and down and down and down for ages. At any time, it can start a crazy uptrend. But obviously, the USD pair is looking nice. We're seeing a triangle, a range, and this range can easily break higher. So just like we saw here, a range and a breakout higher, the same can happen, and a breakout higher, 300, $350. I wouldn't say it's a surprise, to be honest. I really I really think Litecoin can go to 300, $350. Uh yeah, pretty easily. Maybe 400 also, because it was around the all-time highs for Litecoin. So this is what I have to say about Litecoin. Next one on the list, Chainlink. So Chainlink, arguably, arguably the strongest altcoin uh, that was existing in the bear market. So during the bear market, around here, Link was simply just going up and up and up. And even after the Corona crash, please take a look at the recovery of this one. And we did see an insane rally. Uh, this is really insane. Chainlink, obviously, looking at where it was and where it's right now, 60x later, this still has potential. Don't get me wrong. Chainlink is really solid. Range right here can easily take us to $50. Okay, even 60, 70. So 100% wouldn't be out of this world. 100% ROI from here, I don't think it's out of this world at all. Also, the BTC pair did see a very big pullback right now, so you're also buying it at a discount, say so. So basically, I am bullish on Chainlink. I don't think it will make hundreds of percent in gains, but a solid 100%, just like Litecoin, I think it is achievable. So still have a lot of coins to cover. Let's go to a highlight a requested coin, Cove token. Let's see if I can find it here. Looks like it's not Cove Covesting. Okay, so I think this is the coin. Covesting. So let's see. This is this is an old coin. Covesting. I'm only looking at the charts. Okay. Double bottom right here. Very nice reaction so far. So the BTC pair is looking nice. I can't find a USD pair, but obviously it is shaping and looking pretty nice for a possible new high right here. So this would be at least 100% here. This is down a lot actually. So a pump to around here would easily make this one go up 400 to 500%. Next one, Ravencoin. Ravencoin, Ravencoin is a very interesting altcoin that we got right here. So RVN. Once again, this coin is up a lot. Okay, so the interesting thing also is after the Corona crash, this really didn't go up a lot, and we did see a very strong pullback. Only then to see this one exploding in price. Obviously, not my favorite setup. I think it can range and then continue higher. But yeah, Ravencoin, not I'm not interested at this point. It's not looking like it wants higher prices. And now, the coin that I am also very interested in, uh, XRP. So, what do we have here on Ripple XRP? Let me move to an older chart. Let me show you something that I'm very optimistic about, and it's this right here. So what we have here is a fractal from the past, around 2017, where we had our initial pump. Okay, just like this initial pump. Okay, obviously we did see an easy 1900% pump here, whereas on this side we did see a 300% pump. From here we had a range, a very big range spanning for several weeks, and this is what we're seeing right here. It's accumulation. After that we had a very nice expansion higher, and this is exactly what I'm looking for to happen very soon. I will not time this one. I am already invested into XRP. I'm looking every day to add to my positions on pullbacks. So this is everything I have to say about XRP. This is really everything I had to say. It's my plan and I'm sticking to it. Basically, this arrow says it all. So there is no need to tell you when, why, this and that. It's all in the charts. So let's move on to the next one. Storage, USDT. Let's take a look at this one. What do we have here? Once again, another coin that pumped a lot. and this is this is like a fresh pump. So it was at 0.5 almost 9 days ago, and right now it's at 3.2. Would you buy this one? Not really. Why would you like to chase a coin that pumped? So take a look here. It didn't pump just yet. Okay, it's ranging, and this one pumped. This one pumped. Storage pumped, looking for maybe a range before continuing higher. Can be the case. A new one on the list, EOS. So let's look and search for EOS. I remember that I have it right here. I have it saved here. So let's take a look. Where are you, EOS? This is it. Wow, very nice. So EOS is lagging behind. Obviously, we had a lot of time to buy it down here when it was very cheap. And right now it is pumping. This is looking very nice. BTC pair, this is this is down a lot. Okay, and we did see in the past that EOS was a very bullish coin. So EOS, uh, only one comment about this one is the fact that this coin can take some time to go up, because what we saw here is really after the corona crash, this didn't really recover. We saw another attempt down before before right now pumping. But this this looks very similar to what we saw earlier, which is RVN. What happened to RVN might be the case with EOS. Pay attention. A pump, sorry, after the dump of the corona crash, uh, barely making it up to midway. From there, another dump, and from there, slowly, money entered into this coin, and we did see a crazy uptrend. So, could be the case with EOS. I think it could be the case with EOS. Same pattern. The crash of Corona, barely making it midway, slowly dumped back down, and now picking up. So, also, you know where this is going. It's still lagging behind. So, I would say any pullback that's going to happen is a good entry. Poly. Poly. So, BTC pair on this one is down. I would like to find a USD pair. It is very important. Polymath. Also, once again, USD pair up 6x. It's very hard to say, or it's not really very hard to say, but the risk to reward once again not that good. This was a very nice entry right here. This is a little bit more expensive. Uh, so still have a lot of altcoins to cover. Uh, Avalanche. I think it's. Let's take a look. Avalanche coin. AVAX. Okay, AVX. AVX. Let's take a look at this one. AVX. So we had an initial pump, another dump right here, but this did see a very nice correction. Obviously, this is buying the dip. Okay. Personally, personally, I I mean, this did see a very big pump. Like the pump it saw is extremely big, but the fact that we did see a pullback makes this one a much better risk to be worked right now. So yeah, it looks good. Maybe after this pullback, we could see continuation higher. I don't see a reason why not to get that, as long as the bull market keeps going. WTC, WTC USDT. This coin also has been around for a long time. Once again, it is up significantly. So probably no comment on this one. ENG, I'm not even going to talk about this one. ENG, simply no comment without even looking at it. Please take a look why. Okay, I think you will understand by yourself why. Luna, once again, Luna, I know this coin is up a lot. So once again, I don't think I have what to comment on this one. It was at 0.8, you know, obviously it was a little bit more cheaper, but let's say around here, $1, and now it's at $18. That's an 80x. This is an extreme uptrend. And if you buy right here, this can easily do what AVAX did and see a pullback, you know, to $11 before actually pushing higher. So pay attention what you're doing. GRT, GRT USDT. I think this one is up a lot also. So mm, not really. So this is something you might look for. Very nice up, impulse correction right here. So this is a pullback, and basically you're buying this coin after quite a big pullback. Let's say, yeah, 50%. I would say I would say it's way cheaper than buying it at the highs. So if you are into this coin, you did your research. Basically, this is the dip. Okay, this is the dip. This is what I would say. Polkadot. Polkadot, obviously very solid fundamentals, but also this coin did go up a lot in price. Obviously, we're seeing a consolidation right here, so this can easily see a breakout to around $50, 50, $60. I would say 100% from here wouldn't be a big of a stretch for Polkadot. Obviously, pay attention if you want to go all in on this one. This was at around $5, $4, something like this. So yeah, it's up significantly. But obviously, I see no reason why not to get another 100% push higher. BNB, BNB. So this coin, the fundamentals of this coin are really nice, and I think this is why this coin did pump a lot. Binance token, obviously, has been around for ages. Uh, all of this, everything that happened here was simply accumulation for this insane run up. But I really don't care what they say, even if they say this is going to $1,000. Uh, this is still up a lot. Okay, this is still up a lot. Since the corona crash, this is up around 27x. So, yeah, maybe think about it better. Obviously, this is still a solid coin, but I wouldn't really buy it. It's very expensive right now. CHR, once again, this is also a coin that pumped a lot. I wouldn't really buy it. Oh, we did see a very big pullback. So once again, this is why you don't buy at the highs. Okay, this is the third example today because you can easily get an instant 50, 60% pullback. 60% pullback. If you were very happy to buy it here, I think this is a gift. Okay, so basically this is my answer for you. It's a gift if you were happy to buy it up there. Next one on the list is SLP. Now I know I did talk about SLP. This is a coin that I also have and own. So let's take a look. SLP SLP Ethereum pair. This is the pair that we got. SLP Ether. So it's still down. Okay. We did see some uptrend right here. We're still in this uptrend. Looking good here, but I would really want to see a reaction very soon. I really want to see a reaction very soon. SLP coin, let's take a look at this one on the USDT pair. So this is down a lot. Okay, sorry for this one. This coin is down a lot. Not really down a lot, but since I looked into it around here, uh, we did see a pretty steep pullback. So still in this range that I mentioned, and a breakout higher can easily come. Market cap of this coin still cheap. I mean, it's sorry, not cheap. It's still a small coin, so a lot of potential. Next one on the list is Axie. So Axie, let's take a look. Uh, yeah, I think I have to look at it here. Axie, I think it's up significantly also. Oh, Axis, AXS, AXS. Axis and SLP are pretty similar. So yeah, this coin is up a lot. It's almost like 10x since the lows right here. So I would say pass. And the last one on the list is Cardano. And basically Cardano for me is a pass. For me, Cardano is a pass at this price. I wouldn't buy it. Uh, Basically, this coin. So Cardano did a very impressive uptrend. This is something you have to understand. Cardano did see, or yeah, we did see a very, very, very impressive uptrend on Cardano. Uh, but obviously, during during the previous bear market, you had all the time in the world to buy Cardano. Uh, I didn't buy it. Okay, so I'm the first one uh, on the list to say so. So here, when it was around here and here, everyone was calling Cardano a dead coin. It's not coming back. It's over. And all of a sudden, we see a change in market structure, and oh my God, what an amazing uptrend this had. So yeah, it's up a lot. I wouldn't buy it. Obviously, many coins that we saw up around here, so you still have a lot of room to grow. Now, one more thing I have to mention before this video ends is the Bitcoin dominance. And this is why I'm still very bullish on altcoins. I still think, in my opinion, okay, this is not financial advice. On average, altcoins should pump another 200 to 300%. Okay, so Ethereum going to 3K, I think it's it's an easy target, in my opinion. Litecoin going to $400. Also think it's a very easy target. Uh, so yeah, looking at the Bitcoin dominance, I honestly think prices uh, are set. You know, uh, yeah, prices. By prices, I mean altcoins. Altcoins are set for a new explosion higher, and the Bitcoin dominance probably dip around an extra 20%, which will lead to a lot of money going into altcoins, aka a lot of pumping left and right to commence. So this was the video. Right now, I finished everything on the list. I covered all the altcoins. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any suggestions for new video ideas, don't forget to comment down below. Thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you and see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.